Hey everybody, we're going to do a really quick video. We just finished making smash burgers and we had a little bit of leftover stuff from the other night. I'm going to do a couple of quick quesadillas. You want it with onion on it like mine?
No, sure.
So we're going to butter one side of these quesadillas because the butter is going to certainly get it a little crispier than oil and give it a better flavor when we Blackstone it, flat top it, whatever we want to call that. I'm just going to set those aside for a moment. There's some small, shallow fried chicken fried steaks we had done the other day. I'm going to slice one of those up with some cheese and put it on there. We just have essentially mozzarella. It's a good Mexican melting cheese. So I'm going to do one of these as mozzarella and onions, and the other one with the chicken fried steak and mozzarella.
Okay, so I'm going to make my quesadilla a little bit different. We're still going to do the butter on both sides, but I'm also going to season mine because I like flavor in my life. These little chitlins around here, think salt and pepper are spicy and they're weird. But on this side, this is the side we're gonna flavor, and it's gonna go inside the taco quesadilla. All right, so all I did was seasonal and salt.
Step to your left after you do that.
This should be enough, right?
Yep. All right. She's going to have cheese on the outside of hers.
Cheese on the outside, cheese on the inside.
Let's put this one down.
We did it a little backwards, but that's okay.
I'm going to put onions on mine. A lot of onion. Do me a favor, put cheese on there, 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 and there.
How much cheese would you like on your quesadilla?
A little more than that.
Like that?
Yep, perfect.
Well.
All right, I'm going to put this on there, and we are going to begin to press it a little bit. Can you grab me 2 more tortillas?
Mm-hmm. Do you want them buttered?
Nope. Yeah, one side first.
Both? Both buttered?
Yes. All right. Actually, just one. Yeah, just butter one, not 2 of them. All right. Put that one right there. This one is going to have our chicken fried steak. You get just a little bit of cheese.
Yeah.
Alright.
We're just a cheesy family.
You want to throw the
with our cheesy jokes.
Alright. Press that down a little bit, and now it's just a matter of flipping it. And good. This is the one that Whitney did with the cheese on both sides, so scrape it right up to the edge and flip it. Same with this one. It's interesting looking. It looks like it's not cooked, but that's just the cheese there. And we'll flip this guy now too.
Oh, so cheesy.
Very cheesy.
Cheesy. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Yeah, cheesy first.
All right. Cheers. Quesadilla with cheese on the outside and inside.
Oh, it's really good.
That is cheesy. And cheese is a little salty. All right. Let's try one with the leftover thinly breaded chicken fried steaks. That's actually good too.
Oh, really good.
Well, that's it, folks. A nice, short, and easy one. Quesadillas are simple. They're quick. It actually takes longer to prep them than it does to cook them. We'll see y'all next time. Safe and happy grilling.
Yes, be safe. We're gonna wait till after the wind's done blowing.
I don't think I've seen that boat before.
No, they just came in.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Have a safe and happy grilling. We'll see y'all next time.